Lesson: Strategies for mitigating ethical risks in AI. Strategies for mitigating ethical risks in AI are crucial in ensuring the responsible deployment and use of artificial intelligence technologies. These strategies are paramount as AI systems increasingly influence various aspects of society, from decision-making processes in finance and healthcare to autonomous vehicles and surveillance systems. Ethical risks in AI encompass issues such as bias, transparency, accountability, privacy, and security. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach that combines practical tools, frameworks, and actionable insights that professionals can directly implement. One of the fundamental strategies for mitigating ethical risks in AI is the implementation of ethical guidelines and frameworks. These frameworks provide a structured approach to identifying and addressing potential ethical issues in AI development and deployment. For instance, the European Union's ethics guidelines for trustworthy AI offer a comprehensive framework that emphasizes principles such as human agency and oversight, technical robustness and safety, privacy and data governance, transparency, diversity, non-discrimination and fairness, societal and environmental well-being, and accountability. By adhering to such guidelines, organizations can ensure that their AI systems are designed and deployed with ethical considerations in mind. A practical tool that aligns with these guidelines is the AI Ethics Impact Assessment. This tool provides a step-by-step process for evaluating the ethical implications of AI systems throughout their life cycle. The assessment involves identifying potential ethical risks, evaluating their impact, and implementing mitigation strategies. For example, during the design phase, developers can use the AI EIA to assess whether the AI system may inadvertently perpetuate biases or discriminate against certain groups. By identifying these risks early, developers can adjust the system's algorithms or data inputs to mitigate potential biases. Bias in AI systems is a significant ethical concern, as biased algorithms can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. To address this, professionals can utilize bias detection and mitigation tools. One such tool is IBM's AI Fairness 360, an open-source library that provides metrics to test for biases in datasets and machine learning models. It also offers algorithms to mitigate these biases, ensuring that AI systems produce fairer outcomes. For instance, in a case study involving a hiring algorithm, AI Fairness 360 was used to identify gender bias in the system's recommendations. By applying bias mitigation algorithms, the company was able to adjust the model and achieve a more balanced gender representation in its hiring process. Transparency and explainability are also critical in mitigating ethical risks in AI. Stakeholders must understand how AI systems make decisions, especially in high-stakes scenarios such as healthcare or criminal justice. Techniques such as explainable AI are instrumental in achieving transparency. XAI involves developing models that are inherently interpretable or using post hoc explanation techniques to clarify how complex models arrive at specific decisions. For example, LIME is a popular XAI tool that provides interpretable explanations for model predictions, allowing stakeholders to understand and trust AI outputs. Accountability in AI systems requires clear delineations of responsibility among developers, users, and organizations. One approach to achieving accountability is through the use of audit trails and documentation. These tools help organizations track decision-making processes and data flows within AI systems. For instance, Microsoft's AI principles advocate for thorough documentation of AI systems to ensure accountability and traceability. Such documentation can prove invaluable in cases where AI decisions are challenged, providing a clear record of how decisions were made and by whom. Privacy and data protection are paramount in mitigating ethical risks associated with AI. Organizations must ensure that data used to train AI models is collected and processed in compliance with privacy regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation. Data anonymization and differential privacy are effective techniques for protecting individual privacy while still allowing the use of data for AI training. Differential privacy, for example, adds statistical noise to datasets, ensuring that individual data points cannot be identified while maintaining the overall utility of the data. Moreover, stakeholder engagement and public consultation play a vital role in mitigating ethical risks in AI. Engaging with diverse stakeholders, including affected communities, helps identify potential ethical concerns that may not be apparent to developers. This engagement can take the form of public forums, focus groups, or collaborative workshops. For instance, Google's AI principles emphasize the importance of involving diverse perspectives in AI development to ensure that systems are socially beneficial and ethically sound. Real-world case studies illustrate the importance and effectiveness of these strategies. The Compass algorithm, used for recidivism prediction in the U.S. criminal justice system, faced significant criticism for racial bias. An analysis revealed that the algorithm disproportionately predicted higher recidivism risk for African American defendants compared to Caucasian defendants. This case underscores the necessity of bias detection tools and transparency mechanisms to ensure fairness and accountability in AI systems. In conclusion, mitigating ethical risks in AI requires a comprehensive approach that incorporates ethical guidelines, practical tools, frameworks, and stakeholder engagement. By implementing bias detection and mitigation tools, ensuring transparency through explainable AI, maintaining accountability through documentation, protecting privacy with data anonymization and differential privacy, and engaging with diverse stakeholders, professionals can address real-world challenges and enhance their proficiency in ethical AI deployment. These strategies, supported by frameworks such as the European Union's Ethics Guidelines for Trustworthy AI and tools like AI Fairness 360 and Lime, provide actionable insights for organizations to responsibly harness the power of AI while safeguarding ethical principles.